Every single minute, over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. Yet some creators make millions of dollars every year. But here's the surprising part. YouTube doesn't actually pay you for your videos. So what does it pay you for? The answer is something you experience every day without thinking about it. Every time you watch a video, ads appear before, during, or beside the content. Those ads aren't random. Companies are paying to put them in front of your eyes. Behind the scenes, YouTube runs a system called AdSense, where advertisers compete in real-time auctions. The instant you press play, brands bid for that ad space. The highest bidder wins, and part of that payment goes to the creator. But not every view has the same value. A viewer from the United States is usually worth far more than one from many other countries. Someone watching a personal finance video is often more valuable to advertisers than someone watching entertainment. And a viewer who actually watches the ad generates more revenue than one who skips it. That's why the real question isn't how many views do you have? It's how much is each view worth? This explains why some channels with millions of subscribers earn surprisingly little, while others with a much smaller audience generate life-changing income. It's not about subscribers. It's not even about views. It's about who is watching, what they're watching, and how much advertisers are willing to pay to reach that audience. In reality, YouTube isn't just a video platform. It's one of the world's largest advertising marketplaces. The key metric behind all of this is called CPM, or cost per mil, the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. Depending on the niche, country, audience, and time of year, CPM can range from less than $1 to well over $100. Understanding CPM is what separates a hobby from a real business on YouTube. But CPM is only half the story. Because YouTube doesn't calculate your earnings using CPM alone, there's another metric, the one that determines what actually ends up in your account. And once you understand the difference between these two numbers, the entire YouTube monetization system finally makes sense.